HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand the shape of the F-distribution. Here's a typical F-distribution. Let's explain why the F-distribution has this shape. First, let's remember that this is a distribution of F-ratios that divide the MSB by the MSW. When the null hypothesis is true, then the MSB and the MSW are roughly equal, producing an F-ratio of about 1. About 50% of the time, the F-ratio is less than 1, blue area, and about 50% of the time the F-ratio is greater than 1, gray area. Therefore, the median of the distribution is close to 1. The median is not exactly 1 for reasons that are too complicated to explain here. Here's an example of 3 F-ratios that are greater than 1. F-ratios greater than 1 indicated a higher variability between means than expected by the null hypothesis. There's no limit to how large the F-ratio can get. In some cases, the F-ratio could be more than 100 or even more than 1000. Here we have the F-ratios less than 1, which are all close to each other. This is because all F-ratios less than 1 have to be greater than 0. Consider the lowest F-ratio, shown here, of 0.28. In this case, the MSW is almost 4 times higher than the MSB, but the F-ratio is still not that close to 0. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.